Happy Monday, sixth graders. It's me, Mr. Higgins, here with today's lesson. It is April 6th, cruising right through this distance learning thing. Let's start with today's flip chart. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. There it is. Is it there? It's there. Our focus question for today, you're going to see, is a little bit odd. It's, are you caught up with your social studies assignments? I decided to reward the people who have been getting all of their work in and give those of you that are far behind a chance to get caught up, and I'll explain more of that in a little bit. You can see the agenda is real short today because I'm not assigning anything really new. Let me get right into announcements to start us off. Okay, first of all, you may have noticed that I reorganized the classwork section of our Google Classroom. I did that after reading both 6th and 7th grade survey results, and I could see how the way that I had set up my Google Classwork section originally was a little bit confusing. Now it is set up by date. So each day that we have class, you can go there, you can see the work that I assigned, you can see the video lessons, and everything you need will be there organized by the date that it was posted. And the due dates are always listed right next to the assignments as well. Other things I wanted to tell you, our first Google Meet is going to happen tomorrow on Tuesday. That was the other big feedback that I got from our survey. People wanted to have Google Meet. Well, your wish is my command. So tomorrow, A period will have their Google Meet from 10 to 10:20, and then I will see my C period students from 10:40 to 11. Those are the scheduled times, and I don't get to play around with those scheduled times, guys. Those are scheduled times that Mr. Sachs and Mrs. Moore have kind of assigned to us, and we have to stick with that schedule. So I hope as many of you as possible can tune in. It'll be really great to see you. I'm looking forward to actually seeing you, as opposed to you just seeing me. The link for our Google Meet will not be posted until tomorrow. So like right around 9:45-ish on the stream of my Google Classroom will be the link so that you can join up with the Google Meet. And hopefully everyone's able to log on and it works out well. Did I skip the dog picture? I think I did. What is wrong with me? I don't know. This is a picture of Rory and LP, and it shows this picture because today the weather is supposed to be beautiful. The sun is supposed to be shining. It's supposed to be in the 60s. I cannot wait to sit out back and correct papers and read and maybe even do some gardening. So this picture reminded me of a beautiful sunny day. That's why I picked it. Let's keep rolling. You may have noticed that I graded a bunch of your work and returned it to you via Google Classroom, and then I posted the grades and comments on PowerSchool so you can see how you're doing and how it's affecting your third trimester grade overall. Now, if you turned something in and I graded it, you should be getting it back through Google Classroom. And you may have noticed that there's some feedback, there's some comments on it, what you did well, what you didn't do so well on. Just like when we're in regular school, you can always revise your work and redo assignments. So if you read over that teacher feedback and I say, the description that you wrote lacks detail from the film, you can go back, rewatch the film and add some details, resubmit it to me, and maybe your grade will go up. It probably will. So I just want to make you aware, guys, that you can always revise work after it's been graded using the teacher feedback. It may take me a couple of days to actually get it graded and then in PowerSchool. And if it feels like it's taken too long, shoot me an email and say, Mr. Higgins, what's going on? I redid the assignment. Why isn't my grade changed? And I'll make sure it happens for you. Okay? All right, rolling right along. This week is our second week of a virtual map quiz. Last week we were focused on North America. This week we are focused on South America. So in order to do this, what you need to do today, and there is something you must do with this today, is open up the Google Doc, click on the link, it'll bring you to the map quiz on Cetera.com, take the map quiz, and then on the Google Doc, record the score that you got today, your pre-quiz score, without any studying. Where are you starting? What's your baseline? And then later on today, tomorrow, Wednesday, I want you to just spend some time studying, retaking the quiz, practicing, seeing that you can build your geographic literacy. On Thursday of this week, you are going to take the quiz one last time, fill out the information on the Google Doc and submit it to me once again. And as long as you do that, you're all set. Now, why Thursday instead of Friday? Because we have Friday off. What? No, seriously, we do. I just found out this weekend. We have Friday off, and then we have April vacation next week. So, okay. I won't see you guys again. There won't be another video lesson posted after this Thursday's until the 20th of April. So I'll see you today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Oh, days of the week are tough. And then we have like a week off. Okay, sure. Oh, it says 4, but it should say 3. So your workload for today, you're going to fit into one of these 2 categories. You're either going to be the person on the left, this person right here, or you're going to be this person. If you have been doing all of your work and getting it turned in, this is you. Yes, look at you. You're going to take the virtual map quiz, and then the rest of the day is yours. You know, go outside, get some fresh air, read a book, enjoy. You've earned it. If you haven't done that, then this is you. Oh man, I have so much work I need to make up, and this is some of the stuff that you should be working on. Any missing work, fact checks, why we left, reflection questions, virtual map quiz number 1, anything you haven't turned in needs to get done. That's top priority. Virtual map quiz number 2, that's something for everybody. Revising and redoing and resubmitting graded work is something that you could spend your time on today. And last but not least, enjoy this spring day. If you are all caught up, get out there and enjoy this weather because it's good. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will literally see you tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it.